9 out of 10 drivers panic when a warning light appears. But here is the kicker. Some lights you can fix in minutes. Others mean stop immediately or risk catastrophic failure. Before you waste money, here are 14 dashboard warning lights you need to know. 7 you can fix yourself. 7 you must stop for. Do not skip this. Secret number 7. Low tire pressure. That tire icon on your dash? Most drivers think they need a mechanic. This light is just telling you one thing. Your tires need air. Picture this. You are driving home and suddenly that glowing tire symbol appears. Your heart sinks. But here is what almost nobody knows. This light simply means your tire pressure dropped below the recommended C. Open your driver's door. Look at the inside edge. You will see a sticker with the correct tire pressure, usually 25 to 32 psi. Go to any gas station. Use their air pump. Fill each tire to that exact pressure. That is it. On most modern cars, once you drive for a few minutes, the light extinguishes all by itself. You just saved yourself a $100 dealer visit. But if the light is still blinking after an hour of driving, that signals a faulty sensor. That needs professional diagnosis. Secret number 6. Check engine light. Steady, not flashing. Most drivers assume their engine is about to explode. The reality? 90% of the time it is something trivial. Here is the scenario we see constantly. Check engine light appears. They take the car to a dealer. The mechanic plugs in a scanner. The code comes back. A loose gas cap. They tighten it and charge you $85. Before you panic, try this yourself. Pull over safely. Pop your fuel door. Twist the gas cap on tightly until you hear or feel a distinct click. That click creates a seal that tells your fuel pressure sensor everything is functioning normally. Drive your car for another 15 to 20 minutes. Most of the time, the light turns off automatically. The system runs a self-diagnostic cycle and clears the fault. One free fix before you spend money. It works more often than you think. Secret number 5. Washer fluid warning. This one is almost insulting in its simplicity, but 95% of drivers still do not know what it means. That little windshield icon with liquid spraying? Your car is literally telling you your washer fluid is empty. That is the entire message. Go to any auto parts store. Buy a jug of windshield washer fluid for about $5. Pop your hood. Find the washer fluid reservoir. It is usually a translucent white or clear container somewhere under the hood. Remove the cap. Pour in the fluid. Replace the cap. Close your hood. Done. Some drivers see this light and think they have a serious electrical problem. They book a mechanic appointment. They wait days. They pay $100 for diagnostic fees, all because they did not want to spend 5 minutes and $5. This is literally the cheapest maintenance your car will ever ask for. Secret number 4. Traction control light flashing. You are driving in rain. You accelerate a bit too hard. Suddenly a light appears with a car and skid marks. And it is flashing. Most drivers panic thinking something is broken. But here is the truth. That flashing light is your car doing exactly what it is supposed to do. Traction control is an active safety system. When you accelerate on wet surfaces, the system prevents your wheels from spinning uncontrollably. It reduces engine power. It applies brakes to individual wheels. Flashing does not mean broken. Flashing means working. The action you need is simple. Ease off the accelerator. Drive more gently. Reduce your speed. After a few seconds of smooth driving, the light stops flashing. The system backed off because it no longer needs to intervene. This is one of the most misunderstood lights on your dashboard. Secret number 3. Door, hood, or trunk ajar warning. You are driving, and suddenly a little door or trunk icon lights up. You know what this means? A door is not fully closed. But sometimes, all your doors feel shut. You hear them click. Yet the light remains. The door is not fully latched. It is sitting in the frame but not engaged with the latch mechanism. The fix requires 3 steps. Find which door. Open it fully. Push it closed firmly. Sometimes you need to push harder than feels necessary. The doors on modern cars have strong springs. Same with your hood and trunk. Pop them open and close them firmly. Listen for the click. Feel the engagement. This light exists because an unsecured door is a safety issue. At highway speeds, an unsecured door creates wind pressure that can push it open. There is nothing to repair. The door just needs to be closed properly. Secret number 2. Service tire monitor light. Blinking, then solid. Wait, we covered low tire pressure already. Why is this different? There is a critical distinction almost nobody understands. There is a difference between low tire pressure and a faulty tire pressure sensor. Low tire pressure appears as a steady light, but if your TPM's light is blinking initially and then turns solid, that indicates your tire pressure sensor itself is malfunctioning. Unlike low pressure, you cannot fix this with a gas pump. This is where DIY stops. Schedule an appointment with a mechanic. They will likely replace the sensor, which costs anywhere from $150 to $300. Secret number 1. Maintenance reminder light. That little service icon that looks like a wrench? That is your car's politest way of saying, hey, I need some love. This light is not a warning. It is not an emergency. It is a reminder. Your manufacturer is suggesting you perform scheduled maintenance. But here is what drives mechanics crazy. Drivers see this light and assume something is broken. They call their service department in a panic. But this light simply means your maintenance schedule recommends service soon. It is not an immediate threat. It is a suggestion. Plan your maintenance. Call your mechanic or dealer. Schedule an appointment when convenient. Just treat it like the reminder it is. Now, those 7 lights are all manageable with basic knowledge. But the next 7? These are different. These are your car screaming at you. These demand immediate action. Pull over. Stop your engine. Call for help. Before we get to the critical stuff, hit that like button. It actually helps us keep making content like this. Urgent secret number 7. Oil pressure warning. That red oil can symbol. That is not a suggestion. That is a siren. Oil pressure is the lifeblood of your engine. Engine oil circulates under pressure throughout your motor, lubricating every moving part. Pistons, valves, bearings. When that red oil can illuminates, your engine's oil pressure has dropped below safe operating levels. Without adequate oil pressure, metal parts make direct contact. Metal on metal. Friction generating heat. Friction generating damage. In seconds, you can go from a perfectly functioning engine to catastrophic internal failure. We are talking about damage so severe your entire engine becomes scrap metal. A repair that costs between $3,000 and $8,000. Here is the action you must take the moment this light appears. You do not cruise another 5 miles. You immediately find the safest place to pull over. You turn off the engine completely. Do not restart that engine. Do not assume it was a glitch. Call a tow truck. Have your vehicle towed to a mechanic. Urgent secret number 6. Engine overheating warning. That thermometer symbol pointing into the red zone. That is your car's panic button. Your engine is a controlled explosion happening thousands of times per minute. All that combustion generates enormous heat. Your cooling system exists to manage that heat. When your engine overheats, something in that system has failed. The coolant has leaked. The thermostat is stuck. The water pump has seized. Metal expands when it heats up. The engine block is designed to operate at a specific temperature. When temperatures exceed safe limits, metal warps. Gaskets fail. Cylinders crack. Warping damage means another complete engine replacement. The moment that overheating light appears, you must act. Pull over immediately. Turn off the engine. Let it cool. Do not open the hood for at least 30 minutes. Once the engine has cooled, you can pop the hood and look at your coolant reservoir. Either way, this demands professional service. Call a tow truck. Your engine is in crisis mode. Urgent secret number 5. Check engine light flashing. We talked about steady check engine lights. They usually indicate something minor. A flashing check engine light is the opposite. A flashing light means your engine is misfiring. Combustion is not happening correctly in one or more cylinders. Raw fuel is flowing into your exhaust system. When unburned fuel ignites in your exhaust system, catalytic converter temperature rises dramatically. Temperatures that can cause the converter to melt from the inside out. The catalytic converter is one of the most expensive parts. Replacement costs between $1,000 and $2,000. If you keep driving with a misfire, you risk damaging your engine itself. Raw fuel washing the cylinder walls dilutes your engine oil. Engine compression fails. A flashing check engine light means stop driving immediately. Continuing to drive will cause exponential damage. If the light flashes while you are on the highway, get to the next exit as quickly and safely as possible. Once you are on local streets, pull over and turn off the engine. Call a tow truck. That flashing light is a red alert. You need professional help immediately. Urgent secret number 4. Brake system warning. That red brake light represents one of your car's most critical safety systems. Your brakes are the only thing between you and disaster. Without them, you cannot slow down. You cannot stop. When the brake system warning light appears, it means something inside that system has failed. Your brake fluid level is too low. Your brake pads are worn down to bare metal. Your anti-lock brake system has developed a fault. This is not a light to ignore. This is a light that demands immediate action. If you are driving when this light appears, find the nearest safe location. A parking lot. Somewhere safe. Test your brakes gently. See if they feel normal. If they feel spongy or soft or unresponsive, do not continue driving. Call a tow truck immediately. Your brakes are critical. Urgent secret number 3. Battery charging system warning. That battery symbol appearing while you are actively driving means one thing. Your alternator has failed. Your car's battery does not power your engine while it is running. Your alternator does. When the charging system light appears, your alternator is no longer generating electricity. Your car is running entirely on battery power. Your battery has enough charge to run your vehicle for approximately 30 minutes to an hour. After that, your battery is dead. Your engine stops. You are stranded. Get off the highway immediately. Get to the nearest mechanic. You need a new alternator installed as soon as possible. If you are in traffic, be aggressive about getting yourself to a safe location. This light demands urgent attention. Ignoring it means guaranteed breakdown. Urgent secret number 2. Power steering warning. That power steering assist symbol lighting up means your vehicle's power steering system has lost pressure or functionality. Power steering is not just a comfort feature. It is a safety system. Try turning the steering wheel on a car with the engine off. It is nearly impossible. That is what happens when power steering fails. Imagine trying to turn a locked steering wheel at highway speeds in traffic. When this light appears, steering will be extremely difficult. Get off the highway. Get to local streets. Drive carefully to the nearest repair shop or call a tow truck. You should not be on high-speed roads with failed power steering. Urgent secret number 1. Airbag warning. That airbag symbol staying illuminated means your supplemental restraint system has detected a fault. Your airbags are one of your last lines of defense in a crash. They deploy in fractions of a second. They save lives. When they malfunction, that protection disappears. If your airbag system is not functioning, you are driving with disabled crash protection. This is not a light to ignore. This demands professional diagnosis and repair. Schedule a diagnostic appointment with a dealership or certified mechanic. Do not attempt any DIY repairs. This is complex electronics that must be handled by professionals. So, there you have it. 14 dashboard warning lights divided into 2 clear categories. 7 you can manage yourself. 7 that demand professional attention immediately. The key difference? Safe first aid versus critical system failure. A low tire pressure light? Grab a pump. Check engine light that is steady? Tighten your gas cap. Those are problems you can address confidently. But an oil pressure warning? An overheating engine? A flashing check engine light? A brake system fault? A dead alternator? Those are different. Those demand you stop, shut down your engine, and get professional help. Here is the truth about dashboard warning lights. They exist for a reason. They are your car's way of communicating with you. If you understand that communication, you can act decisively. Now you have the knowledge to respond intelligently. You know which lights are simple fixes. You know which lights demand immediate attention. You know the difference between a nuisance and a crisis. Use this knowledge. Reference it the next time a warning light appears. When in doubt, it is always better to get professional diagnosis than to ignore a warning your car is desperately trying to communicate. If this video helped you understand your car, hit that subscribe button. We release automotive content every week designed to save you money and keep you safe on the road. Your wallet will thank you. Your safety depends on it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there.